Hey everyone, so in this video we'll see how you can create a load balancer and serve the traffic. So in this video, first of all, what you need to do, you need to create EC2 instances. So we are going to create two EC2 instances. So you can give anything like my test EC2, and make sure to select the type as the Ubuntu, as we are going to install Nginx through user data, right? So just give here number as well too, and I'm not going to use any like keep here and all. Everything will be default only, and just click on this advanced details, and here I have already copied this one script to install nginx, and it will serve the traffic with the instance IP. Okay, so let's scroll down and paste it. So now you have to just launch this instance. So you have to just click on this proceed with without key pair launch instance. So this is one thing is done. Next, what we are going to do, we will be creating a target group. So basically, whenever you want to create a EC2 instances, so you require a target group as well. Then at last we create the load balancer. So in target groups, what we do, we define which are the EC2 instance, like it should come, like traffic should go to the which EC2 instances. So now we have two running here, and if I go in target groups here in load balancing, also you will see that option. So just create a target group and keep it as it is. Give it any name like my FA instances. It means like front end instances. Simply, I'm just giving this name. Protocol is 80 only. VPC is default, and the health check is the that path you can give according. If you want, if you have any other path like slash health and all that, you can give it. And yeah, just do a next, leave it as it is everything. So here you can see two instances are available, so I want both my instances to go in a target group, include as pending below. Click next here, and at last you have to just go and create a target group. So once target group is created, you have to go here and again go for the load balancer and click on the create load balancer, and here we are going to use the application load balancer type, as it serves the traffic of your https. Give anything like my test something ALB, that is the application load balancer, and that is internet facing, not in the internal, which means it is publicly available, it will be. And I'm going to use all these regions as I don't know in which EC2 instances my, like in which AG my EC2 instance is created. Next, this security group, you can leave it as default only. And then here you will see the target group. You have to just select here. And yeah, that's it you have to do for now. Keep it everything default only. So load balancer is created, and here you will see it is provisioning. Till then, what I will do, I have to actually change the security group of our EC2 instances. So there we will add one rule. So you have to go in the security, and you will see here inbound rules only 22 is enabled, so that we don't need, right? So like our instance will receive traffic on the port 80, so we need to allow that 80 as well. So just give this port 80, and it will receive traffic from everywhere as it's a public IP. So yeah, that's done. And when load balancer gets provisioned, then we will use the load balancer IP, and with that I will just fire the request. So until it's not getting provisioned, so I will just pause the video till then. Okay, so now you can see it's in active state. So you have to just scroll down, and you will see here DNS name. Just copy it and paste in your browser. So here you will see our, yeah, so here you can see instance IP is this, it's coming. And if I try to reload it multiple times, so it will change. So you can see 185, 190. So my request is going to the different EC2 instances. Okay, so in this way you can just configure the basic load balancer so as per requirement, but you need to change your health endpoints and so many things you need to configure. So it's just a basic one to demonstrate you guys. In this way it works. Okay, later on you can just add this auto scaling groups and all. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Thank you so much for watching.